Hey, fellow English teachers. Looking for fresh, engaging ways to use music that actually save prep time and go beyond simple gap fills? You're in the right place. Today, let's explore a fantastic lesson plan using Next Summer by the talented Italian singer Damiano David. This isn't just listening. It's about connecting, creating, and mastering language. Perfect for B2 teens and adults. This lesson cleverly reviews simple tenses, past, present, future. While boosting vocabulary, speaking, writing, collaboration, and creative skills, it resonates emotionally, makes grammar meaningful, and works beautifully with or without digital tools. Ready to dive in? First up, step 1, the opening act, 5 to 10 minutes. Start with the theme question. Have you ever missed someone you once loved? This immediately taps into personal experience. Then, ask students to find a photo on their phone. Or describe a memory if phones aren't an option, of someone important from their past. This makes the lesson instantly relevant and engaging for everyone, adapting easily to your classroom context. In pairs, they briefly share what the photo represents without showing it yet, building anticipation. Pro tip, share your own quick example first to create a comfortable atmosphere. Next, step 2, the lyric lab, 7 to 10 minutes. Pre-teach key evocative phrases from the song before listening, like slipped away or dancing with demons. Display them via the Genially link from the blog post, or just write them on the board with context. This equips students with authentic, rich language they can use later, moving beyond basic vocab lists. Having them choose 3 phrases they might use encourages active processing right away. Let's inject some energy with step 3, word jam, 5 to 7 minutes. In small groups, call out a phrase from the lyric lab. Groups race to create a correct sentence using it, typing in a shared doc, chat, or using mini whiteboards or paper. This gamified approach boosts engagement and gives you a quick, informal check on their understanding and use of the phrases and tenses. Award points to keep it lively. Now, step 4, duet dialogue, 10 to 15 minutes. In their groups, use breakout rooms online. Students finally share their photos or described memories, explaining who, what, when, and the feeling evoked. This fosters genuine communication and builds student connections. They can upload photos to a shared Google Doc, template linked in the blog post, or just show phones or describe them, making this step flexible for integrating digital literacy or adapting to low resource settings. Time for the music. Step 5, seen and heard, 5 to 10 minutes. Play Next Summer. First listen, display key lyrics, ask students to note main emotions and standout phrases. This focuses them on overall meaning, not just grammar gaps. Second listen, display all lyrics, ask them to identify tenses. The follow-up discussion then links the grammar directly to the song's context and encourages personal reflection. What's the singer hoping for? Has this happened to you? Let's zoom in on grammar with step 6, hook and tense, 10 to 15 minutes. Use clear examples straight from the lyrics, like I pretend I'm okay, present, I thought that we had something good, past, I'll be there, future, to explicitly review the target tenses. Anchoring the grammar review directly in the song's context makes these tenses far more memorable and less abstract than typical textbook exercises. Consolidate grammar with step 7, tense jam, 5 to 7 minutes. Using the downloadable musical photo story worksheet, students work in pairs, completing sentences by choosing the correct simple tense. This offers controlled practice where students apply the tenses meaningfully. It's also a great chance for you to monitor understanding and offer support before a quick class review. Now for the creative core. Step 8. Beyond the lyrics, 15 to 20 minutes. Groups create a collaborative musical photo story using their shared photos, weaving a narrative inspired by the song's themes. Require a beginning, middle, end structure, plus use of different tenses and key phrases. This step is powerful because students integrate grammar, vocabulary, storytelling, collaboration, and critical thinking. It's also easy to differentiate. Provide sentence starters for groups needing support, or rotate photos for an added twist. Celebrate their work in step 9, the spotlight session, 15 to 20 minutes. Groups share their stories, project the shared doc, or have them read aloud post for a gallery walk. Sharing provides an authentic audience and gives everyone valuable listening, reading practice. The follow-up discussion encourages reflection and peer feedback on how language choices created impact. Finally, step 10, the test track, homework. Assign a Cambridge-style writing task, like an article on second chances, encouraging use of the practiced language. This assignment directly connects the engaging activity to valuable exam prep skills, offering a solid opportunity for individual assessment. And there you have it, a complete, dynamic lesson using Damiano David's next summer. No boring gap fills, just meaningful practice, reviewing tenses, exploring vocabulary, and developing crucial communication and creative skills. Remember, this lesson is adaptable for any classroom setting, saves you prep time, deeply engages students by connecting to their lives, and effectively integrates multiple skills. Want more innovative, free song-based lesson plans like this? Visit the Song Activity Factory blog, and the link to download all the free materials for this lesson, the worksheet and checklist, is right in the video description below. Give it a try. Happy teaching!